आज हम कुछ एक्साइटिंग और एडवेंचरस करने वाले हैं वसई में. वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ साइकिल टूर इन वसई विच इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय चाय मात्रे क्रॉनिकल्स. ये टूर कुछ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 किलोमीटर्स का होने वाला है. वील बी विजिटिंग लैंडमार्क्स इन वसई एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग अनएक्सप्लोर्ड प्लेसेस. ऑल्सो मुझे इस टूर की एक बहुत अच्छी बात लगी, ऑल इंक्लूसिव, लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू गेट योर ओन साइकिल, स्नैक्स, फूड, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड in this tour. And one more thing, they are gonna teach us how to put up a tent. I am super excited and super pumped. It's morning around 7:30ish and we are at our meeting point, which is K Movie Star, and here we'll meet and start our tour. So I'm excited to see how this goes.
So in every 3 kilometers, we'll all and we'll celebrate in every 3 kilometers. We'll be celebrate.
That
Okay.
achievement.
Yeah,
Yes.
achievement. Yeah.
So we have started our cycle tour, and first location is Papri, where we'll be having our breakfast. So yeah, let's go. It's pretty cool, man, and I'm liking this cycle very damn much. So since today is Friday, we are setting up the Friday market. I'm super excited about markets every time when I see them. हमारा साइकिल टूर शुरू हो चुका है. एज यू गाइस सॉ, वी क्रॉस्ड पापड़ी एंड वहाँ पे फ्राइडे मार्केट लग रहा था. सो इट्स क्लियरली अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग फॉर मी. एंड मुझे सुबह सुबह साइकिल करने की ये एक बात अच्छी लगती है कि धूप जो आती है बहुत हल्की धूप होती है. इट्स वेरी सूदिंग टू योर स्किन. एंड राइट नाउ वी हैव हॉल्टेड फॉर आवर ब्रेकफास्ट विच इज़ मिसल पाव. So we completed 3 kilometers. Hi! Hi, sir! आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट वी हेडेड टू वसई डॉक्स, जहाँ पर हमने एक अच्छा सा व्यू इन्जॉय किया विद कूल ब्रीज हिटिंग आवर फेसेस. देन वी हेडेड टू वसई फोर्ट विच इज़ नियर वसई डॉक. While we were at the fort, we got to learn so many new things that we did not know before. For example, the paintings that you see on the top are tiny baby angels. And so many more such facts that they told us. So we have reached our tent वाला location. यहाँ पर हम tent लगाने वाले हैं. This is Rangaon beach, where we'll also have our lunch at a place over there. They make food at home, and we're gonna have some really nice Maharashtrian food today. After that, we will be putting up our tent and then chilling, and I'll show you guys how it goes. But right now here, धूप बहुत है बट लग नहीं रही है, हवा बहुत ठंडी है. सो इट्स वेरी प्लेजेंट हियर. एंड आज हाई टाइड भी है, एज यू कैन सी. तो पानी बहुत ही आगे आ चुका है. या इट्स अ सुपर फीलिंग. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम क्वाइट एंजॉइंग दिस.
तो कलिंगड़ के खेत थे यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, ये
इधर है, ये कलिंगड़ है. इसमें पानी बहुत डालना पड़ता है.
पहले ये करते हैं, घी डालते हैं उसके ऊपर, ये रहता है ना बनाना.
हाँ.
ये
हाँ.
पत्ता रहता है ना,
हाँ.
वो डालते हैं. और चांदनी रहते हैं ना, उसके ऊपर ग्रास डालते हैं और करके वो रहता है.
Okay, so I'm here with the couple who organized this entire cycle tour. But I want to ask you one question. Why did you guys name your venture Chai Mhatre Chronicles?
A lot of people have confusion like what is Chai Mhatre Chronicles. Some say to chai ka tapri khola hai ya fir Mhatre is your son. In Vasai, the Portuguese were ruling for like 205 years. Okay, so Marathas came here and they defeated Portuguese.
Right.
And they kept the name Chai Mhatre.
Acha, that is how it
That is how it happened. And so it's very like Google karoge to बहुत deep मिलेगा ये Chai Mhatre. So मैं बोला why not we should keep the name Chai Mhatre Chronicles. So this is the name, and so I hope the confusion is clear right now.
It is pretty much. Apart from this cycle tour, what else do you offer?
So we organize a camping tour also in and around Vasai.
Okay.
So right now we are doing a camping tour in Usgaon,
Okay.
which is like right before Vajreshwari. But now we are also
kilometers from Vasai.
Yeah, 35 kilometers from Vasai.
Okay.
So right now we are also organizing a camping tour in Kalam Beach.
Acha,
Right
Kalam
right
Beach.
on the beach, yeah.
Okay. Why should somebody come and look around Vasai? Like, why should they visit Vasai? Anything from you guys? I love Vasai, I know, but I want people to know.
To answer this question, because
Yes,
I
yes.
was not from Vasai
Yeah.
and he is from Vasai.
Okay.
So as a outsider of Vasai, like when I came to Vasai and I explored Vasai, I just got to know like Vasai is not like, before I used to think that it's a village kind of place. And when I came over here, then I came to know that it's a city and a village. Both
It's
are
a
working
combination.
parallelly.
Combination of both.
Right,
Yeah, it's a
right.
combination of both, and it's very, very beautiful with scenic places and everything.
And also rich in history. So Portuguese built lot of fort in Bombay, in Vasai, but still the fort which is standing tall is in
in
Vasai.
Vasai.
So come and explore Vasai with Chai Mhatre Chronicles.
Awesome, that was lovely. Thank you guys. तो जहाँ से हमारा टूर शुरू हुआ वहीं पर हमारा टूर ख़त्म भी हुआ. जो भी हमने आज किया उसका कॉस्ट वॉज 1200 रुपीज़. And if you get your own bicycle, then the cost is 900 rupees. And I think it is pretty reasonable, pretty apt, because इसमें सब included था. हमारा खाना पीना, refreshments, जो भी guiding था वो सब included था. आज मैंने बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें भी सीखी जो मुझे पहले नहीं पता थी about Vasai Fort, about Vasai overall. And the couple is also very lovely, very friendly, and they are very cool people. So I made new friends also today. The overall experience was amazing, and I totally recommend that you guys also, whenever you're coming to Vasai, do try this out and let me know how did you enjoy it. And all the details will be in the description, the contact, everything. And yeah, that is it to the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.